Welcome back to the ATX Real Estate Channel. I'm a realtor with Premier Team Real Estate in Austin, Texas. I'm serving real estate around the Austin and outside of its city limits. I'm currently in Hutto Highlands North in the city of Hutto. Hutto Highlands was built and completed last year, and so now there is the second community coming out. It's called Hutto Highlands North. Here's some information about Hutto Highlands North. It is located about 30 to 35 minutes from downtown Austin. It is about 10 to 15 minutes northeast of Round Rock City and 10 to 15 minutes west of the city called Taylor in Texas. Data provided by Zillow that a typical home's values in the zip code 78634, which is Hutto. It is about $396,978. It has gone up about more than 45% last year in 2021. And Zillow also predicts that it will rise about 21% or more next year. Samsung is, by the way, is building a $17 billion Microchips factory in Taylor, Texas, which is about 10 to 15 minutes away from Hutto. And it's starting in 2022 and target complete on somewhere around 2024. Samsung's indicated that it will be hiring over 2,000 employees between now and 2024. A lot of jobs are moving into the city. If you are planning to move to Austin and Hutto area to work for Samsung or Tesla, do you know that Tesla also is moving into Austin area, and which is about 30 minutes away if you're taking I-130 freeway from Hutto down to the Austin airport, which is where Tesla is located. So right now is a good time to buy, and as the mortgage interest rate started to rise, but the home price is rising so much faster than the interest rate. So back to this one model home. This home was built by Gehan Homes, and it is called the Mahogany one-story plan with two-car garage. It has 1,850 square feet, 3 bedrooms, and 2 baths. Gehan Builders, especially in this community and other communities, is building at least 3 to 4 side mansory. It is an open floor plan with a very high ceilings and wide hallway entrance. The overall ceiling's height in the house is 11 feet, and also the door is about 8 feet high. Please understand that this is a model home, so they actually put in about more than 100K updates into this house, and that is making it looking like this. If you want to build a house exactly like this, you would probably have to pay 100 or 150K more. You can also find out what amenities do we have in Hutto. There is an old settler park. It is a park with a lot of sport activities and is going on every day. Sports such as soccer, tennis, volleyball. There's a pond for you to go to fishing. There's also trails for walking and running, and also playgrounds for the children as well. Dell Diamond is another park. It's basically a huge baseball stadium located on Highway 79, and it is actually in the Round Rock City, but it's only 10 minutes away or less from Hutto. Kalahari Outdoor Water Park is one of the resorts that was just built last year and is located across the street from the Dell Diamond and the Old Settler Park. And Seton Hospital, Round Rock Outlet Mall, IKEA, Terra Vista Golf Course, and Austin Community College and Texas State Branch University is also less than 7-10 minutes away from Hutto as well. As far as the ISD or school district for Hutto, it is Hutto School District, and it's rated above average. Property tax rates here is about 2.7% before homestead discount. Currently, Gehan's doesn't have any available homes, but they are open more lots to be released in March and April. And now I'm touring you this house, so please sit back and relax. Thank you everyone for touring the house with me. I am standing in the backyard right now. The lot here is pretty big in Hutto. It is about 7,000 to 7,500 square feet. I'd like to thank you everyone for watching this video with me, and if you have a need for moving to Austin or the surrounding area, please feel free to contact me for a free consultation. Thank you so much and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!